Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Aedramoz. First, navigate to our website synesa.com and click on the free trial button. Then wait until the download has finished. Meanwhile, you can install the required Docker platform, link to instructions in the description. Then you can close the browser and find the downloaded aedramoz.zip file. Right-click on the aedramoz.zip file and press Extract All, and then select Next from the pop-up menu. Once the extracting is done, find the newly extracted Aedramoz directory. Then repeat the process for the included aedramoz.zip file inside the Aedramoz directory. This time it will take a bit longer. Now that the extracting is done, you are ready to install Aedramoz. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the included documents. Once you're ready, navigate to the Aedramoz directory and right-click on the install_aedramoz.ps1 and select Run with PowerShell. Sometimes a security pop-up will open and just select Run. The installer will ask if you agree with our terms and conditions and the data protection statement. Assuming you agree, just enter Y and enter. Then the install process will begin. Wait a while for Aedramoz to finish installing. Once the install is ready, it will prompt you to press Enter to continue. Make a note of the address where you can access Aedramoz. Now you can just open the browser and enter the address displayed on the installer. On the first time, it can take a while for Aedramoz to start. But eventually you can start using Aedramoz.